What's up? We're back with a new episode of MAN QuickStop. We have another premiere today. Now let's get outside and meet Matthias from the Truckers World Community. Hello Matthias.
Hello John.
You are a professional trucker.
I'm a professional trucker, yes.
Since how long are you a trucker?
I drive since 17 years.
Wow, and you are driving a MAN, right?
That's right.
Which model?
I drive a TGA. It's the first model of the TG generation.
Wow, cool. And you happy with it?
I'm very happy. Many horsepowers and good feeling.
So let's have a look at this new one. How you like that so far?
It looks very nice. Fine.
Is there anything that you might miss?
For sure, I miss the mirrors.
You got no mirrors, huh? You know what it is there on top?
Maybe the camera system?
Camera, yeah, it's a camera system that replaces the mirrors. You want to check it out?
For sure.
Okay, let's do that.
Fine.
Let's get going here.
Look in the mirror.
Ah, the first moment. Do you think you see more than with a normal mirror?
For sure. It's very important to see more here.
It's dangerous, no? Sometimes.
It's very dangerous, and I'm sure each trucker has the problem. He don't see a car in this area.
You said every trucker once had the experience that there's a dangerous situation because he doesn't see everything in his mirror. And you think it's going to change with this new system?
I think it's, you see now, like 50% more.
Did it take time for you to get used to it, or?
The first impression was I missed the mirror, and then if I turn one round, I think it's like I drive it 2 years.
Did you recognize anything change with the steering wheel?
For sure.
It's a great assistance. Huh? I mean, if you're on the road a long time, then it's an advantage that the steering is easier. What was your longest distance that you ever drove?
My longest distance was from Moscow to Beijing.
What?
And back to Munich.
This is like thousands of kilometers.
It was around 7,000 kilometers.
Wow, how long did that take you?
It takes around a month.
And that sounds dangerous. I mean, especially at nighttime or at the service areas or so, when you're all alone in the dark.
I sleep in the truck, yes. And if you hear something, you don't know what it is.
But now with the OptiView, it's a different situation.
Sure, I can see outside and I'm safe inside.
Why don't we just try out the OptiView? We try it out in practice. Yeah? You are inside the truck and I try to hide outside of the truck, okay?
That's fine, let's test.
Let's see if you can see me. I start here, okay? You see me?
I see you clearly.
Clearly? Okay. Let's hide even better.
I see you.
Really? Now?
Fine.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Now it's down, now it's up.
Amazing.
Here I see you. The finger is up. It's very, very good. Now I don't see you. Now I see you again. It's fine. You come closer.
Okay, now I got a challenge for you, okay? You see me?
I see you.
Really? Where's the camera?
It's the front camera.
Here.
Now I see your finger.
Okay, I'm sneaking back again. Okay. So you saw everything.
I saw everything. It's a good feeling. I saw you and I saw you in very good quality.
So you see way more than compared to a conventional mirror.
For sure, yes.
Me as a pedestrian, I feel way safer.
I feel safer if you feel safer, and it helps to save lives.
Absolutely. So you've been driving around in Russia and in China and Kazakhstan. What else places did you go?
Also to South America.
South America.
For the championship 2014.
Wow.
I need a truck driver for the logistics from the television, and I drive from Sao Paulo to Porto Alegre and back to Brazil.
Why are you part of the Truckers World community? So we can tell you stories, so you can meet other truck drivers?
I think for me it's like a social part.
You can share your experiences, you can tell your stories, you can help your friends or colleagues. Matthias, here's my question. You've been driving this truck now for the first time. What's your feedback?
My feedback is very positive. I feel safe with the MAN optic view. The steering gives me a good feeling to the street.
Well, check it out. It's got less consumption, it's more safe, and it's easier to handle. Would be a big change for your daily work life, huh?
For me it's a big change. It makes my life easier.
Thanks for the ride.
I say thanks too.
Great ride. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let me tell you.